name, talagang nakakatuwa na. Of course, guys, magpapakitang gilas po sila this afternoon dahil ang gagawin nila, basketball. There you go. Paano kaya nila gawin niya? And ito, para mas magiging masaya yung game ng ating dalawang animal ambassadors, guys, dapat meron tayong dalawang grupo. O, di ba? Basketball, may dalawang team. Meron tayo Team Jimmy and Team Honey. But before that, divide po yung house. Okay lang. Okay, in this, dito, start dito is kay ma'am. Straight ko si ma'am, naka-shirt ng pink. Ayan. Yes, ma'am. Start sa'yo. And on this side, Team Honey tayo. Oh, once again, yan po si Honey. And start naman dito. And this side, Team Jimmy naman tayo. But before that, for the boys to perform well, kailangan natin silang i-cheer. Sample cheer ng Team Honey! 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 At sample cheer ng Team Jimmy! 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 So guys, let me hear you guys. Sample natin, Team Jimmy! Siyempre, Team Honey! There you go, guys. Palakasan po tayo ng cheer. And I guess our two animal ambassadors this afternoon is not ready, kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. First game starts now. There you go, pinakaya mo. Come on! Cheer the time! 1 point! And 1 point all! 1 point all! Another point for Honey! Come on! Jimmy! Jimmy! Dalawa si Honey! Kumahabol si Jimmy! 1 point! Sino kaya mo na sa amin na gawa? Siyempre, obviously guys, Team Honey! Wala, panggaling, panglapakan naman sa Team Honey.